Now, this is a problem of differential band brake. A band brake is shown in the figure to operate for a braking torque of 10,000 kg centimeter on a brake drum of 500 millimeter diameter, rotating anticlockwise. The band is lined with asbestos with maximum allowable pressure of 2 kg per centimeter square. The coefficient of friction is 0.3. Full stop. The band embraces two-thirds two-thirds of the circumference. Other dimensions are shown in the figure. Calculate number 1, maximum and minimum tensions in the band. Number 2, effort required at 500 millimeter from pivot of lever. Number 3, width and thickness of the steel band. Assuming allowable tensile strength of 700 kg per centimeter square. If the brake is the if not is the brake self energizing. Number 5, if number 4, brake is the brake self energizing. Okay. Next, the final one, fourth one, determine the diameter of the shaft of the brake drum. In this case, the tau is given, the shear stress is given 200 kg per centimeter square. Then number 5, design the lever for a stress of 800 kg per centimeter square. Okay. Now I am just showing the figure. You just draw the figure first. Okay. Then I will roll on. There is nothing to worry about, because those who have done the theoretical, then for him there is no problem. You just see my video of the theoretical differential band brake, just earlier video. Okay. I have not used the formula of S1 P and S1 S2 directly, but I have derived this one. This is okay. Now this is okay. So we have found out S1 and S2. Here this is the answer. Okay. Now number 1 is this answer, S1 and S2. Number 2 is to calculate the effort P. P is the effort. Taking moment about O we have got this one. We get, okay, this is very simple. Clockwise moment is negative, anti-clockwise moment is taken as positive. So P is this one. Now we know S1, S2, so it is the, you calculate, it is 86.36 kg. Now number 3 is to calculate width B of the and the thickness T of the band, steel band. So S1 is equal to Bt into sigma. Sigma pressure is given for the steel band, so we can Pd by 2T, you know the fluid pressure inside. So we have written S1 is equal to Pd by 2T B. So B is equal to 2S1 by Pd. P is given 2 kg per centimeter square. So we have used it. This one is a centimeter. So we have found out B. So T we have assumed S1 by B into this one. Sigma is 700. So this one is this one. Okay. So to, and the band break is self-energizing because P is reduced. Now number 4 is the to calculate dia of the drum shaft. D is the dia of the shaft. Tau is equal to 16 T by pi d cube. Tau value is given to 100 kg per centimeter square. Torque is 10,000 kg centimeter. So you can find out the D is this one. D is, we have found out in 6.33 centimeter. This is the dia of the shaft of the brake drum. Now designing part is this one. So we have drawn the bending moment diagram. Very simple. What we have done, we have given this one, this multiplied by 42, because this is 42 plus 8, it is a 50. So this one, this how this is found out, 867 into 42, that will be this one. Okay. This is the bending moment at this point. This is the bending moment at this point. How this is this one plus 159 into 8. So this will be 4899 kg centimeter. So this is 4899. On this side, 559 is this one. This force, S2 force. No, S1 force. S1 is more than S2, so 559. So into 10. So 559 into 10 is 5590. So this is less than this. So we will design with respect to this bending moment. So bending moment, the moment, maximum moment is 5590 kg centimeter. So this is the formula. You know, M by Z is equal to BD cube, BD square by 6 is equal to 800. This is given. 800 is the stress, this value. And this is BD square is equal to this one. Now B and D is not given. So we let us find that, let us assume D is equal to 2B. D is equal to 2B. D means this is depth. This is the depth. Okay. So this is from here BD square can be found out by 42. So this is like this. So from here B is found out. So B is equal to 2.189 centimeter. So D is equal to this centimeter. This is the answer for the section of the lever B and D. Okay.